cub Lai had never brushed his teeth before and always thought the toothbrush looked like a hedgehog, which was scary. Mommy said, "Dirty teeth will get buggies." He secretly watched his brother brush his teeth and decided to give it a try. In the beginning, there were so many bubbles that he was startled. Later, the more he brushed, the smoother it got. His teeth were sparkling, and he even found it fun. From that day on, Lai brushed his teeth every morning and night and even named his toothbrush. It's called Bubble Night.